Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find the website traffic of any websites. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in one of these websites. Its name is Tech Guide. Now I want to check the website traffic of this website for free. For that, I'll just copy this website link and now go to Google. And now search for free website traffic checker and enter. On the top you'll find this Ahrefs. Just open this and now you'll find this interface of Ahrefs. After that, just paste the website link and remove this first part and also this backward slash. After that, click on this check traffic. And now over here you can find the website traffic. You can see organic traffic is 9.1k. So in this way, we can find website traffic of any websites. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.